Hey, this is Tommy Connor with MarineMax in Pompano Beach. Today we're going to be taking a look at this 2026 Boston Whaler 19 Montauk. This is Whaler's modern take on the classic Montauk series. You'll notice we have this beautiful light blue hull with the black piping on the hardtop, as well as the new white 150 for Mercury. The Montauk series has been around forever. It's one of the best known names in boating, and this is going to be one of your most durable and safest 19-foot boats out on the water. All right, so we'll start in the aft of the boat here. The first thing you'll notice is the amount of space that you have. Whether you're fishing, bringing coolers with you, or just sand toys for the sandbar, you have plenty of room for it. This boat also has the aft seating package, so you'll see these very nice seats back here, as well as removable backrests. We have the backrest out on this side, and you'll notice it leaves rod holders for fishing. You also have a big swim platform with a boarding ladder in the aft. Another really cool feature of this boat is it has the upgraded 150. And for 2026, they actually came out with the 150 in white. So this is one of the first 19 Montauks that we've ordered in this color configuration, which is really cool, and we're super excited about it. All right, so stepping up to the helm here, you'll see this very wide reversible helm chair. What's nice about it is you can comfortably fit 2 people facing forward when you're running, but then it'll also reverse to give you a seat facing aft if you're watching the lines or anchored out. This boat's also optioned with the live well, so you have a nice deep live well for all your baits. Looking up, this boat has an oversized T-top with the optional black piping, which is a newer feature from Boston Whaler. Gives it a really sharp look. Up at the helm here, you'll notice you have your 9-inch Simrad display, and that'll give you your charts, your engine data, as well as your fish finder and bottom reader. You also have your JL head unit for your 4 speakers. This boat has a really nice sound, great for entertaining. All right, so up in the bow here, we have this nice 60-quart Yeti. It also comes with a cushion, so it makes a nice extra seat for 2 people. Forward here, you have a nice sun pad where you can comfortably lay out 2 to 3 people. What's nice about this boat is its versatility. You can easily convert from a sandbar day to a fishing boat. You have a nice fish box and storage under here, as well as dedicated storage for your anchor up front. It's also very useful as a casting platform for fishing. This boat also has the trolling motor panel, which gives you a second battery tray, so you're ready to go. All right, that'll wrap up our quick walkthrough on this brand new Boston Whaler 19 Montauk. If you're interested in seeing this boat in person or exploring any other of our brands and models, come by our showroom in Pompano Beach. It's 700 South Federal Highway, or feel free to reach out. Again, my name is Tommy Connor, and my cell is 419-602-4819. Thank you.